Hi guys, hope everything is going well and hope you've already enjoyed my previous videos. As it's the spring and the beauty of nature is really admirable, today's video is about this specific thing, and I'm going to show you a beautiful place in London today, but I'm not going to tell you until the end of the video. And surprisingly, this specific part of London is a modern place which is famous for its beautiful nature and skyscrapers. So please be with me until the end of the video to see my surprise. Thank you. Alright, I just got off the bus and I'm going to take a train from here. This is Baker Street, and as you can see, there is a beautiful street museum in the background. Here is a tourist spot, so that's why this is all bubbling and full of crowd. So I'm going to take the train from here to my destination. Okay, I'm finally in the Monster station. I'm going to take the train from here to my destination. And as you can see, this is a pretty new station. Unlike other subway stations in London, the 7 line is a pretty new train. So be with me. The video is not ended yet. Thank you. Okay, I finally arrived at my destination. This is you and this is modern London, but I still not going to tell you where am I. You may have some ideas from the video so far, but I invite you to enjoy the rest of my video before I reveal my big surprise. Thank you.
Do you remember we saw this from Mommy's office? I'm going to show you something interesting here. Follow me, please. In that spot, those dogs have laid an egg, and now the chickens have hatched the egg. It's really interesting.
पक्का चेंज देना
Okay, thank you for being with me until the end of this video. And as you can see the sign here behind me, I was in Canary Wharf, which is in East London. I hope you already enjoyed my video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you like it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.